Hello guys, welcome to Online Web Tutor presented by PHP team. I am Sanjay. We are learning WordPress wp-cli tutorials for beginners. This is our part number 12. Inside this video session guys, we will see that how can we install plugin via CLI command. If I back to browser, and here we have opened two plugins, that is Contact Form 7 WP plugin, as well as I have opened called Library Management System WP plugin. And if I click on the first link of this Contact Form 7 as well as on the first link of this Library Management System, so this is the respective pages. This is for the Contact Form 7 as well as this is all about called Library Management System. Now we are going to install these two plugins inside our WordPress setup. But this time we are going to install this Contact Form 7 by the help of WordPress repository, as well as while installing this library management system we are going to install via a zipped folder. So before making this video, I have opened this link and click on this download button. After clicking on that, this is the folder, means a zipped folder I have downloaded. Now what I will do, back to terminal, and if I type the command called wp help and simply let's say plugin, now inside this list we have a sub command called install. It installs one or more plugin. So if I cancel out, go out of the panel and simply let's say plugin install, pressing enter. Now the description is something installs one or more plugins. Here we need to pass called, this is a synopsis, wp plugin install. So after install we can pass either the plugin name, plugin zipped folder, or any of the plugin URL. So let's say that inside this video we will pass all about the plugin name as well as about a zipped folder. So also if I scroll down, we can find all the details about those parameters inside this options section. And also here we have some examples available. Inside this example we can see that a BBPress WordPress plugin is installed via the name, and also by passing this activate flag after installing this plugin we are successfully activating this BBPress plugin. This is all about by passing by name, and also if I scroll down, this is all about installation via a zipped folder. So if I get out of the panel, so let's say that we are going to install WP plugin, let's say install, and here we have to pass the plugin name. So the plugin name are the unique names actually generated by SVN versions. So if I back to browser, now the slug we can find inside the URL is the unique name of each plugin. So if I copy this contact form 7 back here, and if I type here so something WP plugin install, but if we want to activate this plugin installation into a single line, we need to pass activate key. Otherwise it only install this plugin inside this WordPress setup. It is not going to activate that, but after passing this activate key, it is going to firstly install this plugin inside this WordPress setup, and after installation it is going to activate that. So if I press enter, now as we can see that it is installing Contact Form 7. It has successfully installed that plugin, and now it is working for the activation, and as we can see here, that is Contact Form 7 has been installed and activated successfully. So if I open call WP admin, pressing enter, go inside this admin panel, plugin section, and inside this plugins we can find all about Contact Form 7, and this is the plugin we have installed via wp-cli command. Now let's say that this time we are going to install a plugin via zipped folder. let's say that in this case we have downloaded. In some cases this is a zipped folder. We have made our own custom plugin in our local system, and we are going to install that plugin to our WordPress setup. So how can we do? Simply copy the name of this zipped folder back here, and let's say that wp plugin install, and here we need to pass the folder name. And as we know that this zipped folder is currently available inside this wp-cli folder. If I copy the syntax, copy that back to slide, open a new tab, and here this zipped folder is present inside this current directory, so that we have passed only a single dot. Otherwise, let's say that this zipped folder is available one folder back, so at that time we need to pass double dot here. Back to terminal, and if I press enter, now as we can see that at the first stage it is unpacking this library management system. It means it is unzipping that. After unzipping, it is installed that plugin. But remember, we don't actually have activated inside WordPress setup. If I back to admin panel, reload this page, and inside this, as we can see that this is the plugin we have installed, but we haven't activated that. So while activation our plugin, we have two options available. Either we can pass activate flag here after the name, or we have a separate command for that, wp plugin activate and the plugin name. So let's say that wp plugin activate, and if I type help here, let's say help, pressing enter, now as we can see that activate one or more plugins. So after this synopsis, let's say wp plugin activate, here we need to provide the plugin name. If I back to get out of this panel, so let's say wp plugin list, and inside this list these are the plugins. So right now this is inactive, so let's say that we are going to activate this plugin. So copy the name of this plugin name, go here, let's say wp plugin, and simply type activate and pass plugin name. So if I press enter, successfully, as we can see that our plugin has been activated. This is the name what we are getting at this URL. So while installing via terminal command, we can use this name, or simply if we want to activate, we need to pass that name. So if I type again wp plugin list, pressing enter, and inside this plugin is now currently active. Back to admin panel, reload this page, and as we can see that this plugin has been activated successfully inside this WordPress setup. So successfully guys, inside this video we understood about the installation and activation of WordPress plugins inside by using wp-cli command. So inside this video session guys, if you went out, then please drop your comment. I will give my reply as soon as possible. So for this video session guys, thank you for watching and have a great day.